Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Intercom for in-app messaging with no code step-by-step clearly. First, open your web browser. Go to the Intercom website at intercom.com. Click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in the required fields to create your account. Use your work email address for registration. Choose a strong password for your account. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Once logged in, you will see the Intercom dashboard. Click on the settings icon found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Navigate to the installation section within the settings. Select Web as your platform for in-app messaging. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Intercom on your website. Copy the installation code provided for web integration. Now, paste the code into your website's HTML before the closing /body tag. Return to the Intercom dashboard to begin setting up your messaging. Click on Messenger from the left-hand menu. Customize your in-app messaging appearance by selecting colors, position, and features. Set up targeted messages based on user behavior. Use the audience feature to choose who will receive specific messages. Finalize your settings to ensure they align with your business goals. Preview the messaging setup to see how it will appear to users. Once satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.